Alright guys, today we're going to do unboxing video of our TOUREX Titan Max. This is rated at 7500 lumen, and it has 4 different light modes and 4 different strobe modes. Okay, without further ado, let's check it out. Oh, the box quite big. Okay, here's the instruction manual. Actually, this one we will install for you free lah when you purchase from us, so no worry about that. Okay, so this is the light. Oh, it's quite heavy. Wow, there's quite a weight here. The size is about slightly bigger than our Micro Ultra or Explorer Mini. So, okay, for this light, we asked them to do for us a waterproof socket, with a screw type. Okay, and TOUREX Titan range, we will give you the Wi-Fi, or rather wireless switch. Okay, with a USB connection for charging. On standby can last up to 300 days, and on heavy usage can last for about 60 days. Charging time, I charged this unit this morning. It took about 30 minutes. Okay, so the unit comes with the standard wire harness. Okay, all the needed brackets and bracket clamps and the switch holder lah. Okay, so we look at it one more time. Okay, this TOUREX Titan Max have 2 long shoot beam and dual color low or white beam. So what I say is it has 4 modes, mean it have 1 low beam in white, 1 low beam in yellow, and 1 long shot in white, and a mix of all the lights in white. Okay, and the strobe mode have 4 modes lah. Okay, so yes, we're gonna install this tomorrow night on a bike. Once ready, we're gonna take the video of it at night to see how this light perform. And okay, that's all for today. We will see you tomorrow night for the installation of this TOUREX Titan Max. Okay, see you in the next video.